Hello, here is a tip for Microsoft Excel to sort answers from an example of an Excel sheet where you have multiple students and you have multiple answers. So for example, if I want to push all these rows with answers right to the top and I don't want to see all the blank rows, here is what I can do. First, select the column of choice. So any one of these columns with blank rows is fine. Then go to Find and Select. Choose Go to Special. And here you want to select blanks. So this will help you to isolate all the blank cells within this row. And then click OK. So you can see here that all the blanks have been selected. And now we want to hide all the blanks, not just for this row, but for all the rows. And this will apply automatically to all the rows. So what we do next is look for Format. Select Hide and Unhide under Visibility, and then simply select Hide Rows. And this automatically sorts your list so that only the answered rows appear, and you can then focus on these students. Thank you.